Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in. Slowly exhale, releasing any tension. Begin to focus on your breath, feeling your body settle. Continue breathing deeply, feeling the air fill your body with calm energy. Let go of any distractions as you become present in this moment. Visualize a peaceful place, a beach, a forest, or a room. Feel the calm energy in this space. Let the peace of this environment wash over you, helping your body and mind relax fully. Turn your focus inward and recognize any signs of burnout that you are experiencing. They could be fatigue, it could be emotional exhaustion, or it could be detachment. Acknowledge these without judgment. With awareness of these feelings, accept them as the first step toward managing your burnout. Now, visualize yourself drawing healthy boundaries around your time and energy. Picture a soft, protected barrier forming around you, shielding you from stress. Feel these boundaries strengthening, protecting your well-being. Maintaining these boundaries is key to preventing any burnout. Visualize yourself surrounded by a warm, golden light representing your energy reserves. Feel this light recharging your body and mind. Let the warmth fill you with vitality and purpose, energizing your whole being. Now, picture a stressful situation you've recently faced. See yourself handling it calmly and confidently. Now visualize yourself responding with patience, turning obstacles into opportunities. Experience the sense of calm and control you've gained. Bring your attention to the feelings of calm and control you've cultivated. Anchor these positive emotions within you, knowing that you can access this calm state anytime you face stress. Now, take a deep breath in And as you exhale, feel gratitude for this moment of self-care. Reflect on one key insight you'll carry with you from this meditation. Now, begin to bring awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel the sensations of your body. As we come to the close of this meditation, take a moment to acknowledge yourself for creating this time and space to invest in your well-being and growth. Your leadership journey is filled with challenges, but by taking steps like this, you are prioritizing your resilience and balance. Your presence here is a powerful commitment to your personal and professional development. Remember, the clarity and calm you've cultivated today are always within reach. Carry this sense of gratitude, calm, and strength with you as you move forward. When resilience leads, burnout recedes. Namaste.